this video, I'll show you how to create a Tripadvisor account for your business. So in order to do this, you want to go to tripadvisor.com, and instead of going the normal route, what you want to do is scroll all the way down till you see Do Business with Us, and then click on Owners. So here you'll either claim a listing or create a new one. So type in the name of your business. I'm going to make one up. Let's call it Snacklahoma. And since we are adding a business, we want to add a missing place. And then we'll be brought to this form here for add a place. We need to put in the name of the business again. We need to put in which category best describes it. So Snacklahoma sounds like a restaurant to me. Then we need to specify what kind of place this is. So in terms of it being a restaurant, we'll say what type of restaurant it is. So let's say it's a barbecue. And then we need to point out if we own a tour company or holiday rental. If not, forget about this field. Next stop is the address field. So if you click on this, you can manually add your address. And when you're done, scroll down till you see, yes, I am a representative of this place. Click on that. And then optionally, you can join the email listing. I forget what the word is. And then hit save and continue. From there, it's going to ask you for your operating hours and your contact information, as well as allow you to upload some images. And that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.